Hello there, we got the Retevis RB17 unboxing, and let's go ahead and start. Got these in the mail from Amazon, the delivery vehicle, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up, see what we got inside. Kind of some thick tape there. All right, so go ahead and see what we got in here. Okay, let's go ahead and start tearing open this package and see how it goes. This little thingy says, let's see what it says here. Retevis RB17. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box. Take off the shrink wrap and see if we got what we're dealing with here. Just check box on that. Got the user manual, a little walkie-talkie. Appears to be very sturdy. USB-C Y cable. Belt clip. Lanyard. Charging. Got the batteries. They're packaged inside the clamshell. Slide on out.
Turn on the radio. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Turn on the radio. 3, 1.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Belt clip goes in the back, snaps. USB. Seems like a very sturdy antenna. me see what I can look up here for the programming. I know the cat wants to look. Alrighty, that's the unboxing. I'm gonna look at the programming and we'll see how it goes. Thank you. Okay, now for programming the Retevis RB17. I came over here to the Retevis website and I'm gonna type in on the search thing RB17. That RB17, I'm gonna hit enter. It's gonna search. Okay, we find the walkie-talkie. RB17. Come over here and here we go. Support. Software. Programming software. I've already downloaded it and it's over here. And it's gonna go ahead and start. Actually, it started over here. Okay, let's go ahead and put it, see if I can move it. Will it let me move it? I've got the cat wanting to make some noise. Oh, it's in Chinese. Okay. And we come over here, I was messing with the settings, and that is language change. And see, we got this. It says English, and I'm assuming that's okay. And voila, it's in English now. And let's go ahead and do that again. Setting, language change, go to Chinese. Everything back changed in Chinese, and we're gonna change it again. All right, now we're gonna read the radio. Reading the radio. And we got the light flashing on over here. Retevis. I know the cat's over here wanting to hang out. He's being a kitty. Alrighty, and there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. I want to note here that the CPS will not allow you to change the frequencies. You can change everything else on there, like your squelch codes, but not the frequencies. They are locked down. It's a family radio service radio, so that's a little disappointing. I cannot program it to any other channels. Alrighty, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.